Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best RGB RAM available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Corsair RGB RAM. This high-performance Corsair DDR5 memory delivers an outstanding combination of speed, stability, and eye-catching aesthetics for gaming enthusiasts, content creators, and PC builders. Equipped with 10 individually addressable ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module, the panoramic light bar produces vibrant, customizable lighting that enhances any build from every viewing angle. Beyond its premium appearance, the onboard voltage regulation provides more precise and stable power management, allowing easier fine-tuning and reliable overclocking through Corsair ICUE software compared to previous motherboard-based controls. AMD Expo compatibility further simplifies achieving higher memory frequencies with optimized performance on supported AMD platforms, though actual speeds may vary depending on the motherboard and CPU. Whether you're pushing demanding workloads or maximizing gaming performance, this DDR5 kit offers excellent responsiveness, dependable stability, and extensive RGB customization, making it a premium upgrade for users seeking both top-tier performance and impressive visual appeal. Next up, we have Team Group RGB RAM. The Team Group DDR5 RGB memory kit is an excellent upgrade for users seeking a balance of high-speed performance, stability, and modern aesthetics. Designed for the latest Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets, it supports Intel XMP 3.0, enabling effortless one-click overclocking for enhanced system performance. The 120 degrees ultra-wide RGB lighting, powered by a smart RGB IC controller, delivers vibrant and customizable illumination that integrates seamlessly with popular motherboard lighting software. Beyond its visual appeal, the module features onboard PMICs for efficient power management, an improved PMIC cooling design, and ONDI-ECC technology to enhance stability during demanding workloads and gaming sessions. Carefully selected high-quality ICs ensure dependable performance and long-term reliability, while the lifetime warranty and dedicated technical support provide added peace of mind. As with any high-speed DDR5 memory, actual operating frequencies may vary depending on motherboard compatibility, BIOS version, and CPU memory controller quality. Coming in at number 3, G.Skill RGB RAM. This 64GB DDR5 memory kit, featuring two matched 32GB modules, is an outstanding choice for high-performance gaming, content creation, and demanding multitasking workloads. Rated at DDR5-6000 with low CL30-40-40-96 timings and operating at 1.40V, it delivers excellent bandwidth and responsiveness for modern desktop systems. The kit includes both a standard JEDEC profile for broad compatibility and an AMD Expo overclocking profile, allowing supported AMD platforms to achieve optimized performance with minimal setup. As a non-ECC 288-pin DDR5 UDAMM kit, it is specifically designed for desktop PCs and gaming systems that require speed and stability. Because the modules are factory matched and validated to operate together, they should not be mixed with other memory kits to ensure maximum compatibility and reliable performance. Whether upgrading a workstation or a gaming rig, this memory provides exceptional speed, capacity, and dependable operation for demanding applications. Now at number 4, Lexar RGB RAM. The Lexar Thor Z-Series 32GB DDR5-6000 memory kit is an exceptional upgrade for users building a high-end gaming PC or a professional workstation that demands speed, reliability, and efficient cooling. Designed to keep pace with next-generation games and intensive creative workloads, it delivers fast data transfer rates and responsive multitasking for a consistently smooth computing experience. Its standout feature is the premium sandblasted aluminum heatsink, which combines a sleek, minimalist design with excellent thermal performance to dissipate heat effectively during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The robust thermal armor helps maintain stable operating temperatures, supporting sustained performance and system reliability even under demanding conditions. Beyond its impressive appearance, this memory kit offers the responsiveness and endurance needed for modern platforms, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts who want a balance of high-speed performance, dependable stability, and refined aesthetics in their PC build. Finally, our last pick, Clev RGB RAM. The Urbane V RGB DDR5 memory is a premium solution for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking uncompromising performance and style. With blazing speeds of up to 8,400 metric tons per second and ultra-low latency, it delivers exceptional responsiveness for demanding games, content creation, and multitasking. Its precision-engineered aluminum heatsink, featuring rounded edges and linear grooves, provides efficient heat dissipation, while the built-in thermal sensor enables real-time temperature monitoring to maintain stability during intensive workloads. The eye-catching double-beam RGB lighting adds a bold, customizable look without sacrificing practicality, and the low-profile 42.5mm design ensures compatibility with compact builds and large CPU coolers. Built on a durable 10-layer PCB, it offers outstanding signal integrity and long-term reliability. Support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo enables effortless one-click overclocking, while QVL-tested compatibility ensures dependable operation across a wide range of mainstream motherboards when used as a matched kit. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.